Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now I'm net download driver app sound home XP-21 and your type the driver download. Okay, that's why I'm search the official website app sound. Click here. This here official website app sound. Click here. This why the website loading. Okay, this here your printer and your scroll down this here the title driver and software driver download or software for your product, click button download. Scroll down again. Okay, this here the title, this here the system of system operation. Select your system operation, click here, and this here the Windows 8, Mac, Android, Chrome OS, Linux, iOS, Mac OS. This year Mac 12 and Mac 11, Big Sur and Mac 12 Monterey. This year the driver Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows XP, and Windows 9 XP, Windows Server. This video I am download driver Windows 11, new Windows. Click the Windows 11. This why the website loading. Scroll down again, man. This here the setup product, product setup. Click here, and this is the update. Some software update. This is the connect a computer with internet access, and this is the version release update and the site. This video I am download driver printer and driver printer, not scanner. This is driver scanner and driver scanner part for user interface. This here your wireless scanner and this here print wireless printing. This video I am the download driver print. This is version release update and your site. Unit download, click button download. And this here the disclaimer firmware is here. Scroll down and click checklist, and I have ready and access the listen and click access. This here the driver download. And if you need install driver for your printer, your turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for your laptop or PC, detect the USB cable printer, and please wipe the finish driver download and click run administration. Your driver connect the printer USB printer and install automatic printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, comment below description. Thank